Hello and welcome to a live after a very long time. It's a Monday morning. It's a beautiful time to be starting our first live of the week and with a brand new launch that we have for you today. And this one is a linen fabric. You may have seen it earlier. Today we have the entire palette ready for you to be going. Okay. Now this fabric is absolutely special. We have woven a cotton linen by linen fabric, and along with it we've also added just a speck and of these bootas that you see right there. Okay, it's something that's so stylish. It's absolutely amazing as a craft because we have used a linen fabric. Now this is cotton fabric. We made a lot of silk linen in the suits, but in cotton we've done the Sona Rupa edition for the very first time, so we're really happy with that. And of course it's a cord look. It's a same on same, so not too loose, not too tight. It's just the right thing, which kind of gives you that comfort for the season. Color match lining, of course, to go with it, because you cannot have anything which kind of takes away the beauty of the color. This one is a special, and each one has two colors. And when I was designing this way back, I think earlier this year, when we were doing the colors, because the designing and the sampling happens way before that, but the colors we decided, of course, earlier, 5 months in advance. It was all candy and ice creams, okay? But we just wanted to add those beautiful two colors together, okay? So now what I'm also going to be doing, you can see the styling here. The loops are there. It's just for display, okay? There are buttons here, but it's just for display. There's something here, but it's just a nice straight kurta with a pants, which also has this loop designs to go with it. That's the whole look. This is 6,800 per meter as a fabric alone. So you can go for same on same. You can go for a plain chanderi bottom. Now, what I'm going to add here along with it is that this is a beautiful dupatta, okay? And this is our linen dupatta, and I've done it in one color. I just find this a little data. Okay, anyways. So it's one of the colors that we picked up. You can see that it's the green color that has gone right here, okay? Now, if you're going to be going for a dupatta like this, remember that your look is going to become absolutely formal, and it's going to be really stunning and perfect for any formal event that you have in mind. Now we have this thing that we cannot wear checks to formal events, but I really beg to differ that we can, when it's as beautiful as this one with the touch of zari, with everything perfect. I think you can absolutely wear checks as a formal wear too. Okay, this dupatta is 26,800. This fabric that I'm wearing is 6,800 per meter. So you got the maths till there. Now what I'm also doing, okay, let me just show you this dupatta in case you just happen to like this dupatta very much. Then what you really can also do is just go for a plain kurta in chanderi or even a pure cotton fabric with it. I think it'll look beautiful. So that's a way of kind of going for it as well. So that's also a way of wearing just the dupatta. This is linen by silk. This is Karwa Sona Rupa. This is linen cotton, but you'll see that it's been designed to kind of go work with it. These pieces are super versatile in terms of colors. They are dyeable as well. Now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple of more options in the dupatta so that you can and have seen all, okay? Now you can see this one. Now this is not exactly color match, but you'll see this. Yeah, I think the blue has to be a little more green if we dye this dupatta. But what I did want to show you is that this dupatta, which is 5,800, is also a great match to complete your look. Now this is of course only for those who absolutely must wear a dupatta. If you are okay without dupatta, then this look is really to be enjoyed without dupatta as well. You can go without the lining, just wear a slip. You can go really loose. You can kind of make it like this, a little straight and fit. Now this is the final option for the dupatta. This is, look at that, that's 12,800. And again, I've gone for a green palette for my dupattas, and really soft chanderi, which looks formal again, okay? But the first dupatta, if you like linen, that's 26,800. This one is 12,800. The middle one was 5,800. So you've got dupatta options for all price point. Now let's get showing on the fabric and the options. And yes, we really missed you guys, but we also wanted to kind of give you a chance to catch up on all our lovely content all of these days, you know. So that was also kind of a moment. We've also done a look which we launched with Katan. We did with Moonga new look dupatta. So all of that content is there. But of course, we are kind of opening the week, and I think we are on the second last week of the month. We are almost there. So we do want to kind of bring it with a bang. Okay, anyway, so that's the exact same fabric that I'm wearing. It's available for same on same, and yes, this is a mix of green and blue. Now the small cuts that you had seen them launch earlier this year, okay? Now you have seen this fabric launch earlier this year was this one, okay? Earlier not this year, I think just a month back, you had seen this. This is of course gone to the show. It's almost sold out. We still have cuts of these. We do make them as big cuts so that you can get enough. Now this one is a beautiful, now you'll see this is actually a peach and pink, so I think it's just perfect. And plain bottoms in case you don't want to go for a same on same, because of course same on same jane se it comes at a price point, then you can just go for a kurta and a really nice chanderi bottom, and that will be like, you know, 20k and less, you know, the kurta and the bottom. That is your another color, and I love this, you know, I love the touch of this whole thing, which is this whole purple and lemon, you know, it's really cool. And look at that, you can see this zari bit. So for me, I'm going to be bidding, and I'm going to be taking a chance on you guys that you're going to think that with this beautiful fabric, now you can wear checks as formal. Because I think, of course, men wear it all the time, but for us women, we really think that, you know, I think it kind of makes it a bit casual. Yes, it does, but in a really nice way, you know. So there you go. So there you go with the bootas, and you can see the full color. Now what I did want to show you is the back, which is absolutely clean. There is nothing to ever hide, you know, whether it's the front or the back when it's with us. So, you know, that's very important. And there you can go. And this is the softness of your fabric. So I think it's incredibly soft and easy, you know, and not tough to kind of style it with. Now the last two colors that I'm going for, and this one is also this one beautiful cut you have. This is red and white, and look at how amazing it is. So yes, we do have the entire palette with us, and you can. I love this even with white pants. So yeah, many of you may feel that, you know, straight pants in any one of the colors. Like for this one, I'm going to definitely say white. In fact, for most of the pieces, except for that purple and lemon, which I think both ways if you do, but actually with the purple bottom it will look nicer more than the lemon. This will look really crisp with a white bottom, and this is the final color, and I love it so much. It's like a very light brown and red, and I think it's like just really nice, very rich. Okay, look at the colors, you can see all of that detailing, really super cool, super nice. And I think it kind of, you know, with this one, I would go for a red bottom. So yes, for me, it's all about the vision that we're trying to create for you when you wear it. So for this one, it's going to be a red bottom. For that one, it's going to be the red and white. It's going to be the white bottom. For the yellow and the purple, is going to be the purple bottom. Did I miss any color? Let me know. For this one, okay. Now, okay, the question is, this is a really same tone, very cool fabric. Isme, I think you can pick up either green or blue if you're not going same on same. Of course, in Savi mein same on same is going to look very nice, and also in our rose silhouette, it's going to be very good. Okay, so when I say rose, it's got an A line and it's got a broader silhouette. You can do a V or you can do a zero. Okay, neck wise. So with all of that, it'd be good. I think this is soft, wearable, and ready to ship out today. Okay, from that, I'm going to go to these. We have the you know, newer colors in the cotton ghat cholas, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Now this one, okay, and I love these. They're like such a pop of colors. Here it is, this one. Now there you go. This one, this is a beautiful pink dupatta, and we have some colors. Let's do all the colors. Now with this one, you know, what I'm showing you is something different, offbeat, where what we're doing is that we have done an organza dupatta with it. Okay, so the organza dupatta, sorry, organza kurta with it. So you can see this is the organza kurta and this is the dupatta, and you can go for a look like this. So there you go, that's the whole look, and I think it kind of does look really nice, even an organza. Okay, of course you can do cotton, so to sundar lagega hi, but even a organza kurta, you know, try it, do some detailing if that's what you need, but I think it's going to look amazing on that. Now the other color, okay, let's go quickly. Are we doing? No, I don't want to silk on that. Okay, so I'm not going to do silk. Let's just do these combinations. I want colors and combinations which are perfect. Okay, so we will go for everything that's perfect, everything that's good. And a lot of times, even if I don't like it at the last minute, I will cancel it because I want to give you only something that's going to look great as a complete look. Because with this one, if nothing, then you can do a premium chanderi in the base color and it's going to look brilliant. And I will show you exactly how. That's your dupatta, and look at that, it's such a soft nice pink. And can I have it, does it work with it? Let me just see. Yeah, it kind of works. So this is the premium chanderi. This is what I was trying to show you. Okay, and let's show you. This is the softness, that's the fabric. This is a little pink, this is a little peach. Okay, so if when you place your order, I am going to dye it for you specifically, this dupatta. Okay, and this is 980 per meter. So that's your look. Here you go together. Okay, that's your look that you're going to go for, like as in wear this fabric and then wear this dupatta. It looks formal and good. With this one I have an interesting one. Okay, and this is like an ombre. So look at that, this is our ombre kurta. Okay, which is what's this is 9,300, right?
9,800.
9,800. Okay, that's the price of the kurta, which is 2.5 meter kurta at a go. Okay, and with this we're doing this thoda sa color light dark because that's whole ombre, but I think it's a very cool look to be going for an ombre in this. You know, it looks great, it looks nice, and I think it looks pretty good together. There you go, here it is. And next up we're going to be going for this Munga silk. Look at this, that's the Munga silk fabric, and yes, that's the color that I've worn recently. You've seen the video, you've seen the dupatta. It's a beautiful Georgia dupatta, but what I'm going for here is this. Okay, and that's the Ghatchola dupatta. Look at that, like that's like the full look complete together. Okay, so now you can do a Georgette dupatta. If you've not seen it, ask us, we'll send you the picture. Otherwise, this is a good look. Last couple of looks with this that we're doing in this particular dupatta. And why is it so great? Because it's soft, it looks dressy, it's got Ghatchola, it's got bani, it's got it all. Okay, and all of these are 20,800 with the finishing, with all of the detailing. And I want to show that Bhuta Muga fabric. Okay, now look at that. This is one look. This is again, you know, what I have is just regular chanderi that we have. This is the Guff chanderi. You can see the sheen in our Guff chanderi. That's the really good part. So we've shown you. Can we get this again? Okay, I'll show you again because I think this question comes every day. This is our premium chanderi. Okay, this is meant to be soft and slightly transparent. You need to kind of build volume. It looks very nice. This is 980 per meter. This is our Guff chanderi, which has a little sheen. Okay, and it looks really nice as a formal suit. Not necessarily something which has a lot of volume, but something which is straight and A-line. It looked really nice. Both are same price. You need to specifically tell us which one is it that you want to go for. Okay, because I know many of you have the screenshots of one kind of fabric and then you say that, you know, you got the other one. Okay, so that doesn't work, guys. You have to tell us जो आपने screenshot भेजा हम तो वही लेंगे, right? But if you want this color in this, it can be done, but you have to tell us very clearly that. Okay, so I want to just kind of bring out the difference. अच्छा, एक और कोई color रह गया है. Will it? Oh, this is fabulous. This is like a shade of grey. This is just beautiful. Okay, and with this, you know, I mean, I'm just going to do it like I have a nice tissue fabric. Probably yeah, that one. I want to go for that fabric, not this one. Okay, this I like. Okay, this I like. Look at that. Okay, now you'll see, of course, the golds are different. I mean, yes, because tissues themselves are made in so many different colors. but I think as a concept they look really nice. The gray, look at it. And now if you say that, you know, I like the color, but for me it's very important that the zari color matches, because I just don't want to wear something which is light and dark, then I want to tell you that you are and you should be going for something like this. Yes, and it is perfect. This is Munga silk fabric, okay, and how beautiful it is. And yes, it's our newest motif. You've seen our big motifs, but you've seen it so far in Chinya. And now this is the first time that we've done in this bold, beautiful, big, dye-woven Munga silk fabric. This is 3450 per meter. There's no price change yet, okay? So we'll always give you a heads up if you're going to be changing. For now, this is 3450. Even the big boota and the small boota, which I think is a great deal for you to kind of take off, okay? And that's the dupatta. Okay, so that's the dupatta that you're going for, and I think yes, it's a fabulous one. Okay, tell me what we've left. Okay, we are done with this. So now I'm going to go away and be done with this. Now there's something really nice which I do want to show you, which is, I think, okay, let's do that. I want to do a couple of suits probably. Let's do suits, okay? Let's do these suits. And then I do have some real zari pieces for you for this season, okay? And we also want to do just a bit of silk, because every day we see so many of you requesting for different kinds of looks, okay? So let's do some really fantastic suits that you can be going for. Now look at this one. This is organza, and organza with a plain bottom, and it's a plain chandeli bottom with it. Now look at that. This got jacquard weave. This has got meena. It's got like zari. I think it's very, very cool. That's a full look for you. Yes, that's a full look. Now what happens with the weaving is that they really kind of settle down, and you know, they give you a very different kind of grace. So if you're somebody who is into organza suits, and I definitely know that some of you prefer it a lot in this season, then this is a nice, really nice piece. Of course, that's the only color that we have for you. The next up is a very nice fabric. This is Chinya silk. Chinya silk is it's a suit set. It's a Chinya silk is a all season fabric, okay? It's an all season fabric. So look at that. Here it is, and you can see the boota. You can see the hot pink boota in it. Now let's show you the dupatta. It's a very classic, very simple look, but I think with that touch of meena, it kind of completely changes, okay? So that's a Chinya silk kurta. That's the dupatta. That's the bottom, okay? And I think it's a damn nice, formal, soft look. Many of you asking, what is an all-season fabric? For me, if I were to really answer that, I would say that 90% of knee fabrics are all-season. Necessarily, I mean, you know, you have to be thinking about the look that it's creating. I mean, everything is pure. Everything is, the moment it's pure, that's the moment it becomes breathable. It's soft, like air can pass through it, and air can pass through it, then you can wear it any season. Of course, you'll have silks, which we're going to be showing you today a bit. And we'll, of course, show you fabrics which are just meant for this season. But truly, now this one is our very premium collection of complete Karwa, suits in it. And look at the beauty. We've just made the bottom on the loom as well, you know, with the border. It's got it all. In case there is no border, because I know there was some, some variations that the Karigar did on this particular piece. Or agar kisi mein nahi hoga, to I will tell you that the bottom does not have border. Sab mein hai. Okay, so we are set. This lot does have it and all. So yes, it does happen in spite of a very tight QC quality control that we do. We still have instances where sometimes, because of many different reasons, the Karigar may miss doing out. Now what do? Like in a typical case, they would be kind of, like kept as a defective. But this piece, worked with so much care and love. I can't do that. It's not possible, okay? For me, it's also sheer waste. So I can't put it out as a sample piece and keep it out. But yes, sure. I mean, but we always tell you what it is. And if there's something always possible, we do it. But thankfully, all of them have borders. So yes, it's really, really good. But look at the beauty. Look at the color combinations. I think that I think it's absolutely wonderful, meant for the season. The ye jo proximity is boote ki, the big boota that it has, it's absolutely mind blowing. It's so detailed, and which is why it takes so much time. It is now. I think one of this does not have border, so whatever the full price is, we'll give you a better price for just a bit. It won't be major, but because there is no border on this bottom of this particular color. Okay, so yes, now look at the beauty, look at the detailing. That's the front, that's the back. You can see everything. The ultra soft fabric is just incredible. Look at the detailing of each boota. When you see that, I think it's amazing. One final look for this color. How many colors do we have in this in total? We have 3 more colors to be going. Okay, that's one. Let's go for this. This one is a hot one, guys. There is purple, there is brown, there is base color, and I think it's just very, very pretty. Okay, so I think this has got everything. I think this is amazing, because with just that pop of color, also how yellow kind of completely transforms the moment you see something like this. Very, very cool. And yes, I think it's damn nice. The last 2 colors, let's go on to it, and then we can move on to the, I want to go into the real zari, the 3 pieces that we have. We have very few, just 3 pieces for you, which we're going to be doing in real zari, and which we're going to be doing like this. Okay, so here it is. There you go. And that's the brown. That's a wonderful full piece again, and yes, great combination in contrast with the pink. I think it looks perfect. From that to the last color, and iska bhi again, now you see the palettes are all completed. We're showing you all the color options that are there, so that you can have your final pick there. Okay, now there you go. Here it is. This one is beautiful. With that mustard, with that touch of maroon, I think it is really, really nice. This whole complete look for you. So that was the last color. This is from our premium suits, which are there. Okay, and now we're going to move on to 3 real zari. Yes, thank you. Then we're going to move on to 3 real zari pieces. Okay, and of course for this season, sew in cotton. And look at the beauty of each one of them. They are beautiful. Look at that color. Look at the softness of the work, of how it kind of just presents, and how it kind of creates a look, but it's so simple and easy in terms of merging of the colors. But is it easy or simple to wave or make or to ideation? Not at all. Okay, so I think it's beautiful, this one wonderful look. And if you ask me that, what is it that you do at Neve, I would say my whole effort at least is to make your life easy. Okay, when you want to wear something, I just want you to be able to do it. For something like this, to do a complete combination, for me, it's going to be all about just focusing on the dupatta and making sure that it kind of highlights in your look. So what I'm going to do with it is that I'm going to probably do 2 options. One is this, which is, you can see that it's one of the pinks picked up from this color. It's a Moonga silk fabric. Okay, it's got just that. So you see the transparency that there is in the fabric. So it'll give you this big, but really highlights the dupatta. The other one that I'm going to be doing is complete soft, a little volume look. That's going to look amazing. So yes, that is how you need to kind of enjoy and make most of these beautiful pieces. Now I'm going to keep this one away very gently. All prices are of course on request, so that's what you're going to be doing. There you go. Now this one, okay, with all of this, the cotton ones, my standing, I want to show the pink also. I think the pink also looks really, really good. Look at that. Okay, the pink and the orange, and it's not a regular pink, it's a white tone pink, which is I think why it makes it look so pretty. Just look at the orange. I think it's gorgeous. It's the sunset color, just perfection. So that's your color for it. And the other one is of course a silk fabric. Now, because sometimes we do realize that the best base to kind of give more grandness is silk. So that's your silk fabric. At least we want to give you that option. And then again, our other option that we always think is just perfect for it is going to be premium chanderi, because it's soft. It gives you a great base without taking attention away from the dupatta, because when you're wearing something like this, we want the attention to be on the dupatta. The very last one, is this the last option? Yeah, this is the last option in the real zari, and that's going to be this. Okay, now look at that. Look at that beauty of this whole piece. It's got everything that you want. Okay, this intense Meena work, zari, and yes, I think the certificates are attached here. Okay, and they are in fact attached with each one of these. So yes, that's the certificate that you can see with each one of them about their purity. Okay, when you go and come and have a chat and you've placed your order, and just before that we can just give you this picture, not before that. Okay, and so that's the whole one sec. Okay, that's the whole point of it, that they have to be authenticated, and we have done it for you, so you can kind of go for it. Now look at that, you can see the sheen here with this one. Yeah, you can try something else too. We can do this red, and I think it looks beautiful as a red silk fabric. Bahut sundar hai, because you can never go wrong with it. Okay, and maybe many of you have seen the video in which we have done the red silk. Oh, look at that, the really gorgeous silks. Okay, we put up a look, we also put up color options in that, so that's there separately. All of that content nahi dekha, so you have to catch it up today. But of course, this live for you right in time, and so there you go, that's your combination. You want to make the red softer, go for premium chanderi, and I'm going to give you one offbeat, completely different collection. Okay, look, and I'm going to go for this dusty pink. Okay, and look at that, because this is what I'm going to be showing next. Because okay, look at that beauty on it. I'm going to explain why is it that I'm going to go for something like this. Okay, these are like true treasures. Okay, look at this fabric, it's premium chanderi, and it's also, so the what I'm wearing and what this is, it's the same price, 6,800 per meter. 2.5 meter is going to be 17,000. Okay, so that's the price that you're going to be having for 2.5 meter. With it, you can do same on same as well. With this, you can do same on same. You can do a plain bottom. Dono mein hi ease hai wo. Dono ki, you have that option. And the greatest thing is that I have the most beautiful, again, updated, the new collection that we've had. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that all, in this fabric. And I cannot say it enough that you have to, and you must experience this fabric to know what the joy is. So if that means that you have to take like 2.5 meter, then that is what you should do. I'm really coming close because I want to show you the beauty of it. This is silk and pure cotton woven on the loom. We've in fact done a reel. You can see the man hours, I think 112 or 20 for that 11 meters. It's the most beautiful, fabric that can be created, that you can wear in all season. I think it's the only black, it's the only cut. 2.5 hai, so great. You have a 2.5 cut, but it's the only cut. Okay, now that's the black. Oh my god, that's a stunning color, and I'm so happy that I am including colors that probably I haven't worn so much personally, but I want to try, I want to go beyond. So this time I've been trying a lot of royal blue, and look at that, I think it looks really nice, especially in this cotton. Okay, because it's got that touch of it being formal and not so much, and it's just perfect. So lovely, I love this. Here it is. This is like this, ultra soft, plain bottom. बहुत है इसके लिए. If you want to keep it simple, you want to go same on same, then it looks gorgeous. Florence, our Florence look is a good example for you to be going to see, what a same on same with a big boota looks like, because it looks amazing. You got to get perfect colored lining. Okay, let's show you. Okay, done. How many more options? You've got 5 more options, and I want to show it to you all. Okay, look at that. Now, the thing about dupattas with this is that it's really a nice thing, because you really can do dressy dupattas. It's something that you can build on your look. That's the best thing about these hand woven premium cottons. आपने बहुत heavy jewelry इसमें पहन ली and you're wearing a nice silhouette with a little volume, you could be wearing this to the best of the events and you could be looking amazing and smashing, which you anyways do, but I'm just saying, you know. Okay, now this one is lovely. So, you know, this one, now this mint green is with again a red touch and I think it looks really cool. That's a brand new color. Okay, yeah, this is, so this dupatta, which is a 12,800 dupatta, I mean, of course, I'm not showing it to you for this, but I'm just saying that it's a really nice fabric to have and to wear with a red dupatta, simple dupatta in the base color in Chanderi. This is again 6,800 per meter, okay? Look at the red, oh, we have the most beautiful dupatta, okay? And in fact, this is what I've been wanting to show you, that how you can actually do a dressy dupatta with it, okay? So that's your dupatta. Look at that. This is the 26,800 dupatta. And where did you see it? You just saw me wear it in linen, okay? Yehi iska maza hai that you can wear it in linen, you can wear it in georgette, okay? So that's the dupatta and I think it's absolutely stunning. And let's show you the combination, which is perfection, is this. The best georgette dupatta in, you know, like all handmade in Karwa, along with this. Look at how beautiful it is. जिसमें भी red मीना है, आप उसमें red में पहने. जिसमें pink मीना है, we'll dye this dupatta in pink and it looks amazing. Yes, if you have anything left, tell me. Oh, look at that. I think they look stunning. But now I'll tell you why I had taken this out. This dupatta. Look at that, how amazing and how perfect it looks, okay? Now I will also show you, you want to go all silk. Let's build it up, okay? Let's do this. Simple Chinya Bhuta 3250 per meter with this beautiful dupatta. You know, makes life very, very uncomplicated. For me, that is absolutely essential, that you can dress with ease. Now, for the same way, now let's do this. Okay, I'm going to be doing this, but this is a little pink one. So if I were to do this dupatta with it, first I would do it in blue because the base blue is so beautiful. Otherwise, I could do it in pink, which is the Meena color. But really, agar koi red dupatta bhi chahe is pe pehenna, like you want to do 2 kurtas, 1 look, then this is also great for you. So yeah, I think it looks great. Okay, so there you go. Now I want to go for, from that, okay, what you've just seen are the Karwa Bhutas. Okay, now from that, I want to go into a little silk. Thoda sa, not too much, just a bit. But it's so gorgeous and it is Florence and it is here that I just want to be doing the fabrics and they are so smashing. And just look at the sheen. Like, what are you going to be thinking when you're wearing this? I mean, there's nothing to think. Wear any dupatta in pink, in red, in orange, in gold, and you're going to be like set for it. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, this is the last card. This is the red and this is the last card. Okay, and this is again Florence for you. But the good thing is that mere paas, I do have these with me, these 3, which I'm going to be doing. So in Florence, do you have any more colors that we are going to, do you have any more colors? No, we are set. Okay, so Florence, which is this Bhuta, is in silk, 9,800 per meter. Is that the price? Yeah, 9,800 per meter. Yeah, that's the price. So these 2 options in it. From that, we're going to jump into, let's do the black first, okay? So from that, we're going to jump into this, okay? Which is this, okay? And look at that, here it is. There you go, okay? There you go. So that's the black. Now this is also in Karwa. This is also in Katan silk. This is another option. Also 9,800 per meter. And look at that. Okay, that's going to be your same on same. Absolutely beautiful. Wear any dupatta from anywhere. Malab koi bhi corner of your wardrobe se koi bhi nikal ke pehne. It's going to look gorgeous. Okay, because that's how it is. And with it, all you will need to do is get a really stunning plain bottom. So that's what you're going to be doing, a plain bottom with it. And let's go here. Oh, kya silk. Look at that. Do it men, women, you know, really. Oh, ye bhi ek maza hai. You know, there's no bar, you know. Beautiful fabrics, kya bar hai? You know, who can use it? Anybody can use it. You know, make a cord, make a suit, make an anarkali. Yeah, sure, get a tissue dupatta. I'll also show you our short dupatta, okay? Which is always going like this. And it's a great thing because of you guys. You guys are amazing. And I think I haven't spoken even once on how you're going to place an order today. How you're going to place an order today is, आप ये देख रहे हैं, आपने एक photo ली इसकी और आप हमारे WhatsApp पे आए. with the picture, and then you just kind of send it across to us. Okay, so here it is. I think it's smashing. This beautiful look. Look at this look, how it is. Okay, I think it is absolutely wonderful. Very simple, 8,800 ka dupatta hai, and this lovely look together with it, and a plain silk bottom. And mind you, I don't use simple as a bad word because there is so much complication elsewhere in life. When you want to dress up, do you want to add to it? Okay, you want to keep it effective, you want to keep it bang on. Look at our page. Do you see that anything is amiss? No, each look is complete. Each is a look and a piece, and just this whole bomb of a feeling when you wear it in a good way. Okay, but the whole idea that the most exclusive Banarsis can be so difficult to get. Okay, can be so difficult, like oh, am I going to get it, am I not going to get it? It's all really easy. Okay, this fabric I'm wearing, 6,800 per meter. The premium cotton, 6,800 per meter. I say lot of times for you to see. Okay, so yeah, and in case you haven't got it, just send a screenshot and get a price shot. And that's what I said, making your looks smashing and spectacular, in fact, without making it really complicated, making your lives really easy. You see it and you get it. Or even, whether it's a matter of how you buy, if you have done any kind of interaction with us. Okay, am I going to get this bag? I think it looks nice. Let's try that. If you have done any kind of interaction with us, or in fact, like for me, if I'm doing my shopping, I do it completely on WhatsApp. Okay, and I mean by with anybody, you name it, and I do that. Why I do it? Because it's so easy, it's so quick, it's so effective. Okay, and yes, we've done this WhatsApp shopping for you since the day it was there. Okay, like we had the people who kind of started it, and we are really great at it, if I may say it so myself, but I will, because we are, and you should experience it once by coming on our chats. Okay, so do that. Now look at that. Here it is, this fabulous dupatta. Now there are so many things with it. Can I have the triangle fabric? Because I want to do the triangle fabric along with it, that color. Yes. Okay, what are you seeing? The other shade of what I'm wearing, and then you're going to be going here. Okay, now look at that. It's perfection. Okay, that's it. This most beautiful karwa fabric, this dupatta along with it, it's so very beautiful, and it just kind of makes such a great set. Now I'm just trying something. I'm not sure of this. Okay, this is the tissue fabric, which is 4,800 per meter. I was just trying to see what kind of look does it create. It kind of is interesting. Yeah, probably I could do a little more darker pink in this dupatta to match it. But yeah, I mean, who knows? Sometimes you want something offbeat. So yeah, just showing you so that you should have seen it all. Okay, let's go for this. Now I'm going to go do some silk ensembles, okay, which are like all unique, all wonderful. So let's go for this one. Now this one is a raw silk fabric, 3,200 per meter. Okay, really nice, easy for a same on same, because it's got that chota buta. And then you see this silk tissue dupatta. Now you can know why I have brought this out specifically is because I think the colors of the borders, they look so nice together. And I think this color, if you wear it as a base, okay, then you really can kind of just bring the look of this dupatta the most out, like it like really shines through. Okay, so it looks wonderful, a beautiful dupatta at that. Okay, there you go. Here it is, very nice. Okay, from that to this, yes, let's do this. Now this is a very interesting fabric. Okay, now in this particular dupatta that I'm showing you the linen versions of it. Look at that, it's glorious, isn't it? Okay, so this is from our premium Meenakari brocade fabrics. Now I'm going to show you a linen one, but I would ideally, so I'm showing it to you, but I would ideally go for a Georgette dupatta, okay, in this blue. Ye iski colors, now just get it to me separately, including the one that I was wearing, the orange, yeah, oh, that's a nice one. Okay, we'll do all of these, the orange also. So I'll close with that. So let's do this at the last, keep it here. I want to do this combination, but this is a glorious fabric to be enjoyed with any piece that you're wearing. Okay, next up, something that's been doing amazingly well is our Georgette dupatta. There you go, and it's beautiful. There you go. with meenakari. It's spectacular. Okay, in black, it's amazing. In blue, I think that's also really, really good. Okay, there you go. Now you can be doing a dyeable Georgette dupatta, a silk fabric in chinia, but I think this also looks really good. Separately, this is 6,800 per meter. This is the dupatta. I think it looks really good together. Here you go. So there you go. I think it's absolutely amazing. Another fabric that I'm going to do only, okay, and yeah, that I'm going to do with this whole lot. Okay, yeah, we can do this black. Will this black dupatta work with this? Because I think it will. Okay, another color and another showcase. So you know, we've done it all. We've done premium suits, cotton thans, linen new look. Of course, we've done it all. And now we're just showing you some silk. We've done Sachi Zari as well. So, you know, we want to be back with the bang for you on Monday. That's what we're trying to do. Okay, I'm just trying this. And yes, so this is like a black dupatta, Katan silk with this, and I think it looks smashing, because when you're wearing all of this color, what you really just want, you know, is a nice black dupatta to kind of complete your look with it. Okay, and this same black dupatta, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now look at that. Here it is, here it is. There you go. That's the dupatta. Now what I'm going to do is also bring it out for you like with this. So this is tissue silk, and yes, it's just so nice with this tissue. So this is, you know, you can see that it's kind of a natural color. It's wonderful, this whole look. So yes, this is another way that you can wear this dupatta, and just many of the one ways in which you can pair a tissue. Because truly, tissue can be worn with just about anything. That's the beauty of it. So yes, this is perfect, okay? From that to another one, and that's the last fabric that I'm going to be doing. Yes, there you go. This is also really good together. What are you seeing are 5,800, you know, this is a Katan silk fabric with a perfect dupatta in Georgette, and I think it looks so pretty together with the tassels done. Look at that, how complete of a look. A whisk up straight, A-line, anarkali, you do whatever look, you know, it's bound to look nice, and you can also do a same on same. Very, very pretty. Okay, now this one, I just want to show it as a fabric alone, because this, I think it's wonderful. It was there, you know, just as an option, backup option. We keep a lot of backup options, but I just think that it's such a nice one. Wear it with one of any of the border dupattas, and it will look really good, you know, in Georgette, dyed to match, or the gold tissue. Just a beautiful fabric. Okay, so that's it from me. Now what I'm going to do is that, of course, I have a dupatta that I was wearing in linen, but what I'm going to do is first start out with the colors, and then I'm going to go back to the last one which I was wearing. Now my idea is that yes, you can go for the check fabrics in linen with this grand dupatta, and it's a stunning combination. Okay, and the other way that you can be wearing this dupatta, and you say, for my suit, I want a plain suit, I want to wear this dupatta with it, then just go for either plain chinia silk, it'll give you sheen, or plain chanderi cotton, it will have the grace of cotton and still have some sheen. Now this is of course a kesaria, and I think it looks really beautiful, because when you're really wearing this dupatta, it's going to be just be all about the dupatta. You want to kind of do a plus B, like both equals to absolutely smashing, then you do the linen and the nice dupatta. Okay, so that's going to be really good. This is green. Okay, look at that green. Here it is, very soft green, very nice. Okay, so that's also one option. Two option. Oh, that's a blue. That's a really nice blue. Okay, so look at that. I like this. I like the softness of it. Okay, and I'm going to do the black. Okay, I'm going to do the black. Now look at that. This is a gold. So let's just do this chinia silk. Yeah. Now the reason I'm doing it is that I was saying that you do a plain suit in chanderi or in chinia, but one thing that you can also do is do this. What is this? This is the big Bhuta chinia fabric. I think just showed you the big Bhuta Munga fabric, which is all there somewhere. Okay, so I don't think we can take it out for you, but I'll try if I can take it out. Just see if you can take it out. Okay, and so what I'm saying is that you can dye this chinia Bhuta 3250 per meter. It'll look wonderful with any one of these. In fact, you know, I'll just show you with, let's do this together. Okay, let's just bring out both the dupattas that we just dropped. Look at that. So this is 3250, this wonderful linen dupatta. Of course, the textures will be different. Now, I want to do this fabric again because I want to also show you this design in black. Look at that. So that's the black dupatta in linen. And then because it's linen by silk, silk looks wonderful with it. Now you do this in black, you do it in contrast. And I think, look at that. Oh, that's very pretty. This, and now I'm showing you together, okay? Let's show it to you together. The munga, okay? Look at how it flows. And the chinia in the same big buta, 3250 per meter, 3450 per meter. Both dyeable, both amazing, okay? Both great as naturals, or you can pick it up in any color that you want. Now I want to do this. See, now you see this? This is munga. It's got this walnut light color. Ek minute isko rakhna. I want to show it to you how it looks. There you go. You can see that, okay? And then I want to show the same dupatta with a chinia look. You can see this is of course a little more ivory. This is a natural color of tussar. That's what we call it, okay? So that's the color. Now you can do it with this. So it depends on what you're going to be wearing it with, but to me you could go either ways, and of course दोनों ही डाई हो सकते हैं. Zari color अलग है, yes, absolutely अलग है, because they are made on different looms, they're made as different fabrics, different usage, so सब कुछ अलग है, but it's about creating the look, and I think as a look they look perfect, okay? And the last one, and that's the end of today, is this dupatta that I'm wearing, and you can see now that's my full look. So I'm going to see, how are you going to be going for it? Of course, I did show you the lighter dupattas, which is the 12,800, which is the 5,800 chanderi. Also, yeah, those two dupattas that I showed you. You can always go for kotan. That's something you can never go wrong with. And this beautiful dupatta on its own, or with this combination, I think it's going to be gorgeous. Come on WhatsApp. बहुत दिन बाद live है. Make the most of it. Take a screenshot. Come on WhatsApp. It's a brand new look. We will be posting the video all in today. It will happen, everything. So thank you, and thank you so much for joining in early this morning. Have a great week ahead.